Welcome to my channel, where I show you the best Amazon products. This revolutionary gadget will change your life. Discover why it's flying off the shelves with AMZ World. Looking for powerful cooling without freezing your wallet? This 6,000 BTU window air conditioner is built for rooms up to 250 square feet. Perfect for bedrooms or home offices. Wondering if it's customizable? Absolutely. With 7 temperature settings, 2 fan speeds, and 2 cooling modes, you're basically the boss of your own climate. Is it loud? Nope. At just 56 decibels, it's quiet enough for sleep, work, or binge watching your favorite shows. What about maintenance? Easy. Its washable filter traps dust and allergens, keeping your air fresh without extra costs. Worried about installation? It fits standard windows and comes with a full kit, though you'll need a screwdriver. Any downsides? Some users say it's not ideal for larger spaces and the remote could feel basic. But for the price, it delivers solid performance. Check the Amazon link in the description for a great discount. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing product reviews, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, comment your thoughts, and remember, if purchasing through the product link, you'll be helping our channel grow with a tiny commission at no extra cost to you. Give me a super thanks. We love you all. See you in the next video.
Welcome to AMZ World, the best place for Amazon product reviews. AMZ Tech, hot gadgets and must-have tech. Stay ahead of the curve. AMZ Sports, gear up for greatness. Top picks for sports lovers. AMZ Mobility, move smarter. Discover the latest in mobility gear. AMZ Home, transform your space. Stylish finds for every room. AMZ Toys and Games, fun for all ages. Find the best games and toys. Like, share, and subscribe. Join us at AMZ World for the best Amazon finds.